Stepping into a Georgian house with its high ceilings and enormous windows that soak in the sunlight, it's an ideal canvas for vibrant colors. It introduces a generous splash of color throughout, utilizing its wonderful natural light to bring out the best in every shade. Bryony Richardson, an esteemed interior designer, has notably undertaken the transformation of a neglected Georgian villa, breathing new life into what was once a long-term rental property. Her approach for this project focused on dramatically renovating and reinvigorating the entire space to create an uplifting and joyful home. In the kitchen, the layout was reimagined by closing off an ancillary doorway to make space for a floor-to-ceiling pantry and ample storage. An Everhot range oven was cleverly recessed into the historic chimney breast, and a new island topped in maplewood was installed, becoming a central hub for family gatherings with comfortable window seating and ergonomic bar stools. One of the significant changes involved replacing a decaying lean-to at the front with a new, enlarged cradle porch, which now includes a downstairs cloakroom, establishing a striking and period-appropriate entrance. A distinctive pink and green palette was chosen to complement reclaimed encaustic tiles and frame a ruby charred painting, which serves as the room's centerpiece. Moving through the home, a hand-painted naturalistic wallpaper lines the hallway, leading to a back room that was repurposed from a damp bathroom into a well-ventilated utility space. Upstairs, the landing features a wall of books in a rich bronze-red hue, adding intrigue and drama, and framing the drawing room. This drawing room boasts custom banquettes designed to maximize usable space and low-profile sofas that accentuate the generous ceiling height and architectural form. Oversized windows in this space, offering views of the tree canopy and the sea, inspired a coastal landscape color scheme, creating an atmospheric backdrop for bold artwork. The top floor was meticulously remodeled to allow for the subdivision of the master bedroom and the creation of an ensuite bathroom, which is adorned with authentic Zellage tiles and brass fittings.